unboxing video.
Liam, you want to check out your new car seat?
Liam, come help open this big box.
Look, it's your new car seat.
Help Mom open it.
Come here. Can you help me? Yeah, help me open it. Pull on it. Pull it, pull it. Pull it. Whoa, okay, let's open it. Good job. Oh. Whoa. There's one more, Liam, this one. Here, do this one. Whoa. Thanks, Kai. Whoa. Whoa, Liam. This is fancy.
Liam, do you love it? Looks like it.
Liam.
You love it.
Oh my gosh, this is nice. Ooh. Do you like it?
What's your first impression, Liam?
It's fancy. That's Mommy's first impression.
Your first impression is it's packaged very well.
Okay, so with this, we wanted to get something that had, well, I really like sleek black looks. I just think they look really clean and classic. So the Nuna Rava is a bit more on the expensive end, a bit more expensive than your average stroller, but we spent car seat, sorry. We spent quite a bit on our first and we don't regret it at all. So that's why I felt like we were kind of willing to do it with this one. I'm pulling out the newborn inserts because we don't need them.
We will for the next
We
baby,
will whenever
which
we
is
have another baby.
gonna be...
Never.
We don't know.
Which it looks like they're very well like put in and easy to take out too. We liked the safety features of this one, and the way that they built this is a lot more simple than most car seats, so it's very easy to put in the car. It's easy to remove things. It's easy to do different.
Whoa.
So that's, it just allows it to, and it tells you how it can be forward facing and rear facing. And so it's just good for all stages. This is a convertible car seat, so it'll go from your infant carrier to a toddler. And it can be rear facing for a while, which is safer for a kid, which is a big thing for us because we obviously want to keep him safe, especially if we're traveling more.
Sorry for the background noise.
I just wanted it to be easy, especially because we switch it from car to car often, and my mom will watch him. Here, do you want that? Can you go put it in the box? Oh, thank you. Do you like it? This is for you.
Whoa.
So it extends higher and it will extend lower for kids depending on their height, which is really nice, and it's super easy to do. It has a lot of cushioning, which is also extremely safe, and it's steel framed, which is a big deal. That just means it's gonna be less breakable in any kind of accident. It's so loud.
That's just the reality of our channel. Craziness. Yeah, so we're still figuring it out. I mean, we read reviews and stuff, but we've never used it, so we're not going to try to teach you how to use it or anything.
Yeah, we want to test it. Well, we want to put it in the car, obviously, and it's supposed to have one of the easiest ways to put it in a car compared to a lot of other seats.
Yeah, like this piece opens up.
Yeah, it's some weird thing where it's easy to put the belt in and then you close it and it secures it on the belt really tightly.
Oh, yeah, we'll film once it's in the car and stuff what it looks like, and then we're gonna go on a road trip with it, so hopefully he loves it.
We'll let you know how it seems with him, because I feel like he gets overheated in the car seat that we have just a little bit, but I also think that's because he's getting so big for it. So I'm hoping that this one has a breathability and I don't know, I'm hoping it'll make him more comfortable in long car rides. It looks really nice though, and it feels really like sturdy, and it's not that heavy. Like really, I don't feel like that'll be a pain to move into different cars, which is nice. And I'm tiny, so me being able to pick it up.
How tall?
4'9".
4'9", there it is.
With me being able to pick it up, I feel like it's gonna be fairly easy to move to cars. This is more on the heavier side of other car seats, but that's because of the steel frame, and that's what I wanted, because I wanted him to be extra safe in the car. I have bad anxieties, so.
Especially because we're gonna be going off-roading. Like,
yeah.
well, first of all, the Jeep's not the safest, so we want to get a better Jeep someday, but can't afford it. So yeah, we want to be safe because we're gonna be going on long road trips and stuff.
Yeah, so we got one of the safest car seats on the market. There are a lot of safe options that are cheaper too, but I just felt like this went with it checked all of my boxes on look, on safety, and on the fact that we could convert it to each stage of life, which I liked. And I think he can use this until he's like 65 pounds or something. So it's gonna get a lot of use out of it. So to us, that was like worth the extra money.
I'm so glad she talked about that, because I would have not known the first thing to say. I'd have been like, well, baby goes in, and you can just crash all you want. Nothing will happen to him.
Oh my gosh.
No, I don't know all the features, but Braden really researched it a lot. So I'm gonna I'll take you guys in the garage and I'll show you our old one. I would like to do a video on this car seat stroller, because this thing is the best thing that we've purchased by far for our baby. So this is the car seat that we got, the Doona. It's also on the more expensive side, but Liam, I mean, he's a year and a half. This thing he could go probably till he's 2, but his legs are getting a little too long for it. And what makes this thing the best is it's super light and it pops out into a stroller. I mean, let's see if I can do this with one hand, but I'll just do it real fast. So, boom, he's in there. And you just press the button on the back, and all of a sudden, you got a stroller. All right, you just slide this back and then it's a stroller. Anyways, we'll do another video on that, like I said, but we needed the upgrade for this thing. Oh man, I freaking love this car seat stroller. It's amazing. Pops right in the base station. Boom. Holly, and we've loved it. It's been good. I think he wants to go Jeeping. Liam, get inside your Jeep. You can get in. Pull it. Pull it. Yay, Leo! Good job, buddy. So yeah, if you haven't seen the video where we put him in this Jeep for the first time, I'll link it above. It was very, very sad. But now he freaking loves it. Just like he's gonna love, what's that thing called? The
Mini-me's?
The Mini-me's. He's gonna love the Mini-me's thing, hopefully. And hopefully he loves hiking. I guess I'll just leave him in there for a second. Do you want to say anything else, Braden?
Found some cool features.
Okay, she found some cool features.
There's
See
like a leg rest that pops out right here. And then these cup holders pop out. Look at this. They pop out and then you push them down.
Okay.
And it's on both sides.
We have, that just makes me feel like we have a very spoiled child.
Look at that, that's so cool. Another reason I wanted to get this is because you know when you're putting your kid in and these belt buckles get in the way and you're like trying to get them under. This has these little things on the side to put it in so it stays in place while you're putting your kid in.
Oh, so you put the straps over here, set the kid in, and then put him in. That's awesome.
Yeah, it's just a smarter way to do it.
Plus, when they're sleeping in there, I feel like you could undo it quietly, put them in the sides, and then get them out, and they would stay asleep better.
This thing is amazing. So many little features that you don't think of, but it just makes it better when you're driving around. I don't know what I was gonna say, so I lost my train of thought really hard. Anyways, that's it.
Okay, so that is the Nuna Rava. We're gonna throw it in the Jeep and take it on our first road trip. Keep watching because we're gonna have some more information on this and it's gonna be fun to test it out. Thanks guys. So we're 20 minutes in and Liam threw up everywhere.
Liam, are you happy?
Did he? There's some on his shoes too.
Oh, great.
All right, guys, we're just leaving the house, heading for Bryce Canyon. We got the Jeep packed up. It's our first overlanding trip. I even snuck in the Jeep.